Beautiful people, today we're going to learn how to make vegan Rice Krispie treats. The key ingredient, 2 cans of chickpeas. We're going to be using the aquafaba, a teaspoon of lemon juice or cream of tartar, half a cup of corn or agave syrup, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 350 grams of white sugar. And for this recipe, we're going to want 180 grams of Rice Krispies. Let's start with the marshmallow fluff. Now, in a pan, I'm throwing in the sugar, the water, and the syrup. I'm going to give that a very good stir. And on a low flame, I'm just going to let that bubble up until it reaches 115 degrees C or 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Very important. If you don't have a thermometer, this is what you do. In some cold water, you drizzle a little bit of the syrup into the bowl. And the moment you can see you can roll it into a little ball, you know it's ready. I'm going to set that aside.
Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more.
Now from the cans of the chickpeas, I'm going to take 2 cups of the aquafaba, add in the lemon juice or the cream of tartar, and I'm going to whisk that until it's nice and fluffy. I'm slowly pouring in the syrup mix, adding a little bit by bit, until you get to the desired consistency, as you can see. If you want it thicker, you can always add a little extra teaspoon of cream of tartar or lemon juice, it's up to you. And you'll see it will get to the perfect consistency that you're looking for. Now in a separate bowl, I'm starting off with the marshmallow fluff, about a cup's worth, and I'm slowly pouring in the Rice Krispies. I'm going to give them a good stir. The marshmallow fluff's actually 150 grams, come to think of it. That's how much I put in there. Now I want to get this all nice and coated. Next, in a square baking dish, I'm just going to grease the tin. That's going to help it to come out once it's set. I'm going to pour in the treat mix. Mine's extra marshmallowy. You can use a little bit less if you wish. Just be careful with it because you don't want them to go soggy. You're just going to pack that down, let it take shape, and I'm going to stick that in the oven on 180 degrees C or 355 Fahrenheit for about half an hour. Just like that, it's going to make it crisp back up. Then I'm just going to let it dry, and then you're good to go. Absolutely beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this episode, folks. If you enjoy vegan soul food recipes from all around the world, hit that subscribe button. It will mean the world to me. Always appreciated. Ciao for now. See you on the next one.